Hi, singers. I wanted to give you this video bonus just to let you know that if you're having any doubts or concerns about your voice, or you're having a hard time embracing and loving on your voice, I want to encourage you that you have what it takes to be able to progress and get the sound and the voice that you want to love. So I want you to take a minute to sit down with a piece of paper and write out all of the goals and the desires and what you wish for your voice. And then I want you to go ahead and sit down and write out as if you've already attained that. I am a great singer. I have a beautiful voice. I have all the tools and solutions in order for me to sing just the way I always wanted to sing. And just this little tool, as simple and as goofy as it may sound, will help change the brain chemistry on how you view your voice. There's nothing more that I would love for you to get to that feeling of knowing that confidence and the can do and how incredibly deserving you are of letting yourself sing and letting yourself walk through any things that you need to walk through to grow. So know that if you have a crack in your voice one day or does some flippy thing over here on another day, it's okay because you're showing up and you're giving yourself that commitment to stay in taking care of you and your voice and how much you can believe and choose to believe in your voice and how important it is. Because as I always say in my little emails, the world does deserve to hear what you have to sing. So I just wanted to give you this little bonus for whatever it's worth for you to come back to remember, write out your goals, write out the I am instead of I can't. And I promise you, I promise you, I promise you, you will start to see a switch, a change, a transition. Your voice is going to loosen up, open up. You're going to have so many more possibilities when you allow yourself to change the way you talk to yourself and the way your brain thinks. I'm Nyla, your voice coach. Thank you for listening. Please keep coming back to this as often as you need to. And as always, take care of you and your voice.